Listen up because this is urgent. The frustration you're feeling right now, that gnawing sense that everything you've been told about borders, rules, and how the world works is broken, is real. You see borders everywhere, but what do they actually give you? Limits, slowdowns, bureaucracy that strangles your projects before they even start. If you're someone trying to build something that matters, borders aren't just lines on a map, they're obstacles. Barriers that steal your time, your money, and madness that suffocates innovation. You're fighting systems made for the past, stuck in national silos, and meanwhile, your vision is global or it's nowhere. Here's the hard truth. Traditional borders can't catch up with the speed you need. They move like glaciers while your ideas are rockets. Waiting for laws to change or countries to agree? Forget it. You'll die trying to get permission from a system designed to slow you down. And that's crushing because you can't afford to lose time. Not today, not ever. But here's the part most people miss. They're looking for permission outside themselves instead of power inside a new type of network. The network that can replace these old borders isn't a thing of the future. It's happening now. But it's not about erasing nations or dreams of some global government. It's about creating real, raw, fast connections between people who don't ask, which country are you from, but what do you bring? This kind of network is about cutting through nationalism like scissors through paper. It's about working and thinking at the speed and scale business and progress demand, ignoring stale rules and killing red tape every damn day. You want to move faster? You want to build bigger? You have to tie yourself not to a flag, but to a network of the right people, founders, investors, leaders, who will push you forward with no time for politics, no waiting for permission. And yes, this is scary. It's uncomfortable because it means saying no to comfort and the old ways that made you feel safe but actually boxed you in. It means tearing apart the cozy story of this is how it's done and embracing chaos and uncertainty to gain freedom and power. But if you want to stay stuck and keep blaming borders, keep struggling to get through layers of outdated government and archaic policies, stick with that. Don't watch any further. But if you're tired of being a victim, if you want to operate beyond geography, beyond citizenship, beyond the slow grind of bureaucracy, then you need to act. Here's what to do step by step right now. First, stop waiting for governments to fix things. They won't. Instead, start building your own network, a tight, selective web of people who see the future the way you do. This means aggressively reaching out, not just liking posts or attending conferences, but asking the hard questions. Where is the support? Where is the real capital that isn't tied to local politics or outdated incentives? Find it in people who think globally. Second, deliver value relentlessly in this network. Be so good they can't ignore you. Show up with concrete offers, connections, and ideas. No fluff. No waiting for thanks. Third, use technology like smart contracts, decentralized tools, and borderless finance to create deals, partnerships, and projects that skip the nonsense. If you're not exploiting tech that bends the world to your will, you're already behind. Fourth, commit to a long game. This isn't overnight. It's a daily fight to build trust and momentum beyond borders. But every step you take rips another hole in the old systems that slow you down. Stop asking if networks can replace borders fast. The real question is, are you ready to be part of the network that makes borders obsolete right now? Because borders only exist where networks don't. And the fastest, smartest, most ruthless networks win. They win markets, capital, influence, and direction. They don't wait for permission, they don't respect lines on a map, and they make borders irrelevant without firing a shot. This is how to crush the old world and build the new one. Fast, precise, relentless. Don't get lost in the noise. Focus on building connections that break the system. Act now, or get left behind bleeding time and opportunity. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit the featured link to discover more.